Now let's look at some of the problems which we deal in our day-to-day life in view of today state of stress. So let's consider this example of welding. So I have this material, let's say made up of same material, these two pieces, and I would like to join this material using another material. Let's say I join with this material, I call it as a weld joint. Now I subject this member, which is complete member, which after making this weld joint, and this weld joint I put it at an angle of 60 degrees. Now I subject it to uniaxial tension of 200 MPa. Now if I have given the fracture strength of this welded material to be 150 MPa, the question is, will the weld withstand this condition? So this is what we have to find out. So here, not giving you an answer, so you consider this member to be thin plate, so you can meet a condition of 2D stress state and try to find out what are the stresses acting along this inclined plane, and try to see whether this material can withstand this condition or not. Another interesting thing you can do at home is take two pieces. Let's say, let me write it. So let's say you have two pieces of one material and you join it at different angles. So let's say here the angle is 0 degree with respect to this A plane I'm talking about. Okay, so or you can say that, and you can join it at different angles. Let's say make such kind of things in home and try to pull these pieces apart after using any adhesive glue. See what is at which angle you get, at which angle you have to apply very minimum stress. You have to apply minimum stress. Just do it for fun. So let's go with the next problem. So you must be aware of this Delhi iron pillar, or whoever residing in North India or at least nearby Delhi must be knowing about this Delhi iron pillar. So it's one of the things which we can brag about. So this pillar, the specialty of this pillar is it is a rustless wonder. So there is it haven't yet rusted. Okay, it's almost more than 1,500 years old. You can check it on Wikipedia about more about it. So one information I would like to give you regarding Delhi iron pillar is Professor R. Balasubramaniam was faculty at IIT Kanpur, our department. He worked on the corrosion aspects of it. So you can see many articles written by him on Delhi iron pillar. So let's come back to mechanical behavior of materials. So I have given the dimensions of this Delhi iron pillar as the height is 7.21 meter, diameter is 0.406 meter, and let's consider the density is something around 7,800 kilogram per meter cube. Now what I would like you to do is like find out what is a compressive stress and compressive strain at a cross section located at 3 millimeter from the top. So find out compressive stress and compressive strain 3 millimeter from the top. For calculations, you consider this to be having an uniform cross section area throughout this pillar. And important thing, then you check it for yourself that relate the normal force acting on the cross section area, so as a function of its length. So figure it out for yourself, what is the normal force acting on this pillar from top to its bottom, and relate that it with its length or maybe here height. So these are two interesting problems which I would like you to solve.